I've had this Panasonic toaster oven for over 10 years. It works great, I love it. However, the power button started acting up and the toaster wouldn't stay on. I started sticking a toothpick in the switch to hold it in a position where the toaster would work, but over time, even that didn't work. This toaster oven is still available on Amazon for $138. Worth trying to fix it, right? First of all, let me apologize for how dirty this toaster oven is. I should have cleaned it before I started. It has been well used over the years to make toast, frozen pizzas, and crisping up leftovers. I can see why these cost more than other toaster ovens, by the fact that they use a lot of screws to hold things together. Cheaper appliances tend to just use plastic clips that often break when disassembled. It was obvious I needed to replace the switch. I bought a set of buttons from Amazon that included the latch type switch I needed, plus a whole bunch of other buttons that I did not need, but are somehow still being stored in my desk. I was able to desolder the switch and install a new one. I forgot to record that part. It was boring anyway. I did this repair in 2021 and the toaster oven still works great. Good luck, guys.